firefighters. Dean Stoltz reports.
Laura Seawood's Campbell River townhouse is a mess. There's heavy smoke and water damage throughout after a fire starts near this hot water heater on the main floor at 9:30 this morning. Within seconds, the flames are licking across the ceiling into the kitchen where the fire and intense heat melt cupboards and ruin everything. Laura had just left for a doctor's appointment. Her 2 kids had gone to school. Only her friend and 2 pets remained at home.
Smoke detector woke my friend, and he came downstairs and found the smoke and the flames.
Smoke pouring out the windows, pitch black. He cracked the door because there's a little dog in there, and then it was just, you couldn't see 2 feet.
Campbell River firefighters are on the scene within minutes, and the flames are knocked down shortly afterwards. But the 2 family pets, a dog and a cat, are in trouble.
My friend wanted them to look immediately for my pets. He knows how much they mean to me. And they went in and brought out Peaches and put her immediately on oxygen.
These photos were taken as Captain Keith Temple revives 9-year-old Peaches, a teacup Pomeranian. Firefighters say the dog was comatose and limp when she was brought from the house.
The dog seemed to be the worst of the 2 pets, so we gave the dog oxygen and then we transported him as soon as the dog started to come around.
She's quite a small dog, but I love her. She's 9 and I can't imagine my life without her.
Both dog and cat are expected to recover, but it's been an unkind few months for Laura, who's a school teacher. 2 serious car crashes left her unable to work. Disability pay is less than normal, so something had to go. And in a terrible turn of misfortune, she decided she could do without contents insurance, meaning this mess is now a huge financial burden.
House insurance was something that didn't get paid for right now.
If you'd like to help Laura Seawood, friends of hers, and set up a bank account at the Coastal Community Credit Union in Willow Point.